Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little paper birds as Christmas tree ornaments. So let's get started. Cut out the pattern and then fold your cardstock in half. Place the pattern on your paper with this section on the fold. See, there's the fold. So on the fold. And trace around it. Like that, and then cut it out. Move the paper, not the scissors, when you're cutting this out. With Elmer's glue, glue the tail and the head together. Fold the wings. Open up the cavity of the bird and just stuff a piece of paper towel or bathroom tissue inside like that. Place some glue inside and add a little string for hanging, and then just hold it for a moment while the glue sets up. With a black marker, I'm going to add an eye and just the indication for the beak. If you like, you can add some details with a black marker. You could add some polka dots or outline the feathers. I'll just outline the feathers. Now I'm going to brush glue all over the bird, and I'm going to sprinkle it with some iridescent glitter. And I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to do the other side.